Someone is gonna collect your life insurance, douchey. Hold it.
I know, right?
What's up, girl?
Hey, sweetie.
I am so over caviar.
Oh, like I haven't heard that before.
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
There, Tyler.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
All too easy.
Do you know who my father is?
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between 2 lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
Oh, you ain't nigga? Who you think you are? I'm here for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
Man, I will fight anybody, anytime.
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
You just touched my personal
The
property.
last guy who challenged me is a quadriplegic. What's up, homie? Stakeout and lock, all I need. You like the smell from stakeout? Take it easy.
Killer, look. There's this thing called listening. Ever heard of it?
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Hey, handsome.
You like how stakeout smells?
No, I'd never.
All right, I'll see you again.
Ciao, Mello. Hey there.
Hey, baby, you wanna get high?
I love dressing up like a princess.
Just leave me alone, man. Respect, Lorenzo. Hey, sport. Can you smell the new sweat, man? You better believe it. Stay strong, Warren. Have fun, friend.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?
I just so enjoyed my time in